Imagine the world without a soul, without a bass without a drum. Can you imagine the night without the moon? And when the daylight comes, it comes, but it comes without you. Yeah. See, you are the song, the bass, the drum, the moon. You are the sun too. Yeah. Remember me, remember you, remember you, and the world that we're so. Hey yeah, hey yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey yeah, 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 yeah. So this is the place that always seems to be better than where you have been. So you run towards the new day rising in the distance, and you walk away from the days that found you falling. You always seem to hear God when it comes, even when it comes from the millions of voices that call to you. You make me want to listen for Him a little bit harder too. Yeah. You are a rose that blooms for a second chance on the off seasons, a wave that breaks on a shore left for decades deserted. You make me feel like you waited for us to exist. For we are a translation of a perfection that just is. So take this hand from me, show me to your world. Bring this dance to life. Your love can paralyze my fears of falling. Carry my heart slow. See, I swear where you go, I'll follow. See into my soul, and I will take you home to love you. 'Cause this is a poem for love.
Well, I can't take one more day. Got to find my way. One, seeing things that are not great. All in pieces of worlds falling apart, falling into the deepest part of my heart. I can take my time, but life won't just pass me by. Stop and trace an outline. See, this is the beauty of flowers growing underneath the sunshine. Knowing water takes water to wine, wine takes grapes, grapes make the vine, and the vine breaks my veins. I see my name inscribed in concrete walls for days, eons and centuries beyond. I can take myself away but not be gone. If I see my mind open this time, read the book each page and line by line by line. I take my time one day at a time. I speak my mind, I speak it on high. I speak this rhyme, this time never again, never again.
Imagine the world here, the world without a song. Imagine the bass, yeah, the bass without the drum. Can you imagine the night without the moon, yo? And when the daylight comes, it comes, but it comes without you. See, you are the song, the bass, the drum, the moon, you are the sun too. Remember me, remember you, discover you, and the world that we soon will move. Hey yeah, hey yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey yeah, 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 yeah. Take this hand from me, show me to your world, yeah. Bring this dance to life. Your love can paralyze my fears of falling. Carry my heart slowly. I swear where you go, I'll follow. See into my soul, and I'll take you home.